Alright, so in this tutorial, I'm going to show you the best way on how you can fix Google Drive showing you cannot view this file or download at this moment. So if you're seeing something similar to this right over here, it says sorry, the file you've requested doesn't exist, or if it's saying you cannot download it, what you can do is just simply copy its link and then paste it on another lab, and then you'll see this option. I'm just using this for an example because this video is deleted, but if you can just download the video and it's available on your Google Drive, you'll see something like this, and then you have to press on file and then you gotta press on add to start. So once the video is added to the start, alright, you'll see this interface. You have to go to Google Drive's main interface and then you have to press new and then new folder. Right over here you just gotta type in any name you wanna give it to. So I'm just gonna give it texting 55, okay, and then create. Now right over here, as you know, we start that video and you'll see the video on start right over here. What you need to do is just right click on it and then you'll see option of organized. Simply press on that and then press on add shortcut. Right over here in add shortcut, you'll see the option of testing 55 just we created, and then you gotta press on add. Once you have pressed on add right over here, now you gotta search and drive for testing 55, and right over here you can just simply open that up and yeah, you're good to go. Now you can directly just go to your drive and then you'll find this and you can just simply press on download. Now it'll download the file on zip, and this is exactly what you want. Once it's downloaded, you can just simply put it on your PC. So yeah, this is it for this tutorial. I hope it actually helped you out. I'll see you soon in the next one.